Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen flavors. I am so happy to be back with another video after a while. Now, one of the downsides to deep frying your foods is that you have a large amount of dirty oil which some people attempted to throw out. The good news is that it is possible to clean and use your oil again, and today I'm going to be showing you a very quick and hassle-free way to do just that, so let's get started. Alright, so what you see me doing here is adding a quarter cup of water to a bowl, and to that I'm adding 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, not corn flour. Go ahead and mix that up bulungi, and this is what we're going to be using to clean our oil later. Now this here is about 1 cup of dirty, for lack of a better word, oil, which I use to fry my 2-ingredient Ugandan pancakes. I'm going ahead to add the oil to a clean and dry saucepan set over medium-low heat. To that, I'm adding the cornstarch mixture. Now what you want to do is to start stirring everything up like so, and you want to do that constantly. Okay, so what's gonna happen is that as the mixture heats up, the cornstarch slurry will start to thicken up so that it attracts and traps all the solids and makes it easy to remove later. You will notice the oil beginning to bubble up after about 10 minutes, and this simply indicates that the water we added to the cornstarch at the beginning is evaporating, if that makes any sense. At that point, it's time to turn off the heat and allow the mixture to cool down, even as you continue to use the solidified cornstarch to gather the solids and dirt together like so. I'll be back shortly to show you what to do next. So at this point, I'm just going to strain my clean oil by pouring the cooled mixture through a fine mesh sieve. Then I'm going to go ahead to use my spatula to squeeze out all the oil, because let me tell you something, I do not believe in wastage. So this is what my strained oil looks like, and as you can see, it's nice and clean and devoid of all manner of solids. You can carry out this process with your deep fried oils for up to 3 times, and this only if you haven't smoked your oil or used it to cook fish. Also, if your oil appears somewhat cloudy, thou shalt not fret, because it will clear up once you heat it again. So I'd like to invite you to watch another video by clicking on the screen, and I thank you so much for watching today's episode, and until my next one, may God bless you. Bye!